if you got a girl, don't mean no disrespect, but thoughts of you rule my world. I even dream of you, I swear. Visions of you and I.
What's up, y'all? JazzJanay here, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. So my channel focuses on natural hair, fashion, and lifestyle. So if you are interested in any of those things, hit that subscribe button down below. It's free, you won't regret it. Happy New Year, everybody. It is 2021. It's January 2nd, and we are off to new beginnings, a new start. Start fresh. New year, you knew me. Maybe, I don't know, I may be still up to my toxic ways, but anyways, I just want to use this year as a clean slate, as a just a more positive year, a more consistent year, just putting in work, putting in time with myself, loving myself, dating myself, you know, being more positive with myself. And that's my goals for this year. Everything else will fall into place if you just love yourself and just take that time out for yourself while, you know, loving others as well. But yeah, anyways, I'm back with another hair video. I know it's been a while. Well, it hasn't been a while. My last video was a hair video. Yeah, but this is a natural hair video. So yeah, as you can see, I'm going to show y'all how I got this nice slick braided ponytails. And y'all, this is for my black girls that cannot braid, okay? Because I can't braid, I can't feed in braid, I can't do none of that, okay? So this technique, I seen it on this hairstylist on TikTok. If I can find a video, I will. I should have saved it. But it's super easy, super simple, and it's so fast. I think I did this ponytail in like 10 minutes. Like super fast. You can do it for work. You can do it for a night out in the club or a night out, you know, we still in a panoramic, so, you know, we don't need to be clubbing or nothing. But, you know, whatever you doing, stay safe. But anyways, you know, girls night, date night, whatever. Or just a chill night. This is a cute, classy hairstyle. I love how versatile it is. And yeah, so if you want to see how I achieved this braid and the new technique that I learned, keep watching. So the hair that I'm using is the Femi Collections, and I just got the 1B 48-inch pre-stretched hair. I got pre-stretched because I feel like it's easier to work with and it's not so blunt at the ends. So yeah, just taking it out the pack, and I'ma just use, it came in 3, I'ma just use one of those. So this new technique, what I'm going to do, I'm not going to start the hair in the middle. I'm going to start it like a little ways down. I'm going to put the shorter part with the ponytail, with my ponytail, and then have the longer part like over my head. So now I'm just going to secure the shorter part in my ponytail with a twist tie. In this way, you don't have to do feed-ins. You don't have to use bobby pins. None of that. It's very secure and super easy. Some people will blow dry out their hair and straighten it and stuff, but I don't feel like putting heat on my head, so we're not going to do that. So as you can see, it looks like a regular ponytail. And I'm going to just take one little small piece from the back and wrap it around the ponytail holder so that won't show. And as I'm wrapping it around, I'm spraying that Got2b glue spray around it so it can stay and like be molded around my ponytail. So now I'm just separating my hair with the braiding hair into 3 pieces so I can just start braiding. So as you can see, my hair is pretty tucked underneath there. But I had to start over because I'm a klutz. But yeah, just separate it into 3 parts. Make sure that your hair is like tucked underneath there so you can't really tell where your hair stops and starts. Another way you can help this is by applying jam. I didn't have any jam, so I just used a little bit of edge control to the ends of my real hair so I can just blend it in with that braiding hair. So you'll see me do that right now. So I'm coating the ends with that. So then I'm going to just continue braiding it down, making sure I'm being really careful because I want this to be really neat. I don't want any tangles and I don't want it to get really nappy. Just a nice seamless braid.
Got to make one, baby. Got to make